All right, we got some area drains. Need to be jetted out. Some of these are just packed full. I don't even know how I'm gonna get these out of there. Oh, there we go. They're just completely packed full of junk. This is gonna be tough jetting these. I mean, look at that. Packed full to the brim. The roots and dirt is packed so tightly down there. I mean, it's a good 12 inches deep. I got the small jetter head on. I cannot get it to go either which way. And if I turn it on like this, it's just gonna shoot water straight out. I mean, nothing I can do here. It's ridiculous. I mean, what do they expect? So we'll just jet their sewer. I mean, look at this. That as well. It's just packed completely with dirt. I mean, they need to dig that out so I can have access to the pipes, you know? All right, let's turn dye water on. Whoa, what is this? Huh. Never seen a PRV like that. Anyway. Let's see. I put this 90 on here so the hot air shoots straight out. Because if you keep the doors closed with the original exhaust, which is, it just points straight out this way, it gets so hot in here, dude. Alright, let's do a little camera action. Pretty clean. Oh, look at that. Cockroach. Look at him. You see it? Cocky, as a drain addict would say. Cocky. Rootage right there, 20 feet.